How to use Google Ads for affiliate marketing. Welcome to our guide on using Google Ads for affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll explore how you can effectively leverage Google Ads to promote affiliate products and maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. First, start by choosing the right affiliate products. Focus on products that offer competitive commissions and have a proven track record of converting well. Once you have your products, it's essential to ensure they comply with Google Ads policies to avoid any issues. Next, it's crucial to conduct thorough keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords that potential customers might use when searching for your products. Aim for a mix of high-volume keywords with lower competition to optimize your ad performance. Creating compelling ad copy is key to getting clicks. Highlight the product's benefits and use strong calls to action that encourage the viewer to click on your ad. Make sure your ad copy aligns with the affiliate product and resolves a pain point or offers a desirable outcome for your audience. Landing pages play a vital role in the success of your Google Ads campaigns. Design a high-converting landing page that is clear, visually appealing, and relevant to your ad copy. The page should provide valuable information about the product and include a strong call to action, guiding users to complete the desired action, like making a purchase. Set a budget that aligns with your marketing goals. Start with a smaller budget for testing and adjust based on performance data. Use conversion tracking to analyze the effectiveness of your ads. This will help you see which keywords or ads are driving the most sales, allowing you to refine your strategy over time. Finally, continuously optimize your campaigns. Dedicate time to analyze the data, make necessary adjustments, and experiment with different strategies to improve your return on investment.